Today we celebrate Saint Jerome Emiliani, a careless and irreligious soldier for the city-state of Venice. Jerome was captured in a skirmish at an outpost town and chained in a dungeon. In prison, Jerome had a lot of time to think, and he gradually learned how to pray. When he escaped, he returned to Venice, where he took charge of the education of his nephews and began his own studies for the priesthood. In the year after his ordination, events again called Jerome to a decision and a new lifestyle. Plague and famine swept northern Italy. Jerome began caring for the sick and feeding the hungry at his own expense. While serving the sick and the poor, he soon resolved to devote himself and his property solely to others, particularly to abandoned children. He founded 3 orphanages, a shelter for penitent prostitutes, and a hospital. Around 1532, Jerome and 2 other priests established a congregation, the Clerks Regular of Somasca, dedicated to the care of orphans and the education of youth. Jerome died in 1537 from a disease he caught while tending the sick. He was canonized in 1767. In 1928, Pius XI named him the patron of orphans and abandoned children. Saint Jerome Emiliani didn't start off too well, but finished in the glory of sainthood. How? By making good decisions. That's how it's done. God bless him, Saint Jerome.